Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I am going to give you guys an awesome deal today, so definitely stay tuned on this video. We're actually going to pull some things out of this pallet to show you what is going to be on Monday's fire sale. Alright, so I'm going to pull out a bunch of items, give you a sneak peek of what is on Monday's fire sale, and then we're actually going to have our folks and us, we're going to dive in here and get the rest of the stuff out. So let's go ahead and start digging. Okay, first off, we just put a whole bunch of stuff from those last two pallets we just unboxed on hookedonpickin.com. So go to hookedonpickin.com, and since we're in Branson, that is your promo code. You must put it in when you check out in order to get 20% off the entire store. So Branson, B-R-A-N-S-O-N. Pretty sure that's how I spelled it. Anyway, I'll put it across the screen. All right, so put in Branson when you check out and 20% off your entire order. I know you're thinking about Christmas. Better get that stuff bought with that 20% off code. It's only going to be for this weekend only. All right, this weekend only. So don't wait. All those things that I know have been sitting in your cart, you can buy now because of the promo code. All right, now we're going to go ahead and Paul, you want to kind of explain what?
Absolutely, you're going to dig 10 items out. They have to be completely different. Can't have seen them before.
Right, and then these items are actually going to be on the fire sale.
Correct.
Now, we may have one of these items, we may have 20 of these items. The goal is to get 10 different items, and we're going to show you what they are and put them on the fire sale. All right. Poolside storage basket.
Very cool.
Large capacity. So it pretty much is...
Oh. There we go.
Yeah. So you can keep a whole bunch of stuff. You can put the toys in there, the pool noodles.
That is a great idea.
All that stuff, and it's made specifically for a pool.
That is item number one, poolside storage basket.
Okay. We're going to, this is a mop cover.
That's amazing, Heather.
It's the most amazing thing I could find.
Out of all the 10 items, we went with a mop cover.
Okay, I'm going to grab this orange box.
Okay.
Because this looks, it's got a bow on it. It looks fancy.
It does look fancy.
Best wishes for you. Look, it's even got it's like a little gift bag.
I like it.
All right, let's see what's in here.
Ooh.
It's a crystal ball music box.
Well, there we go. Oh, listen to it.
So it lights up. It has a solar system in it.
Really?
Yeah.
That would be cool. Oh, look at that.
And then I bet, because this is the bottom of the music box, the ball probably sits on there and then you light it up. Hold on, I'm going to pull this out.
That's a cool little piece right there.
Yeah.
Almost as cool as the mop cover.
This is the light.
I like it. Oh my.
Here.
There we go.
Let's just give a full-on demonstration.
Full-on demonstration.
Because I want to see it. Really, that's the reason.
Coming now. Nice little wood base, too. Oh, yeah.
And you can kind of tilt it any way you want.
That is cool. Are they named?
They are. Hold on.
They are named.
There we go. You go ahead and tilt the ball the way... Can you read them?
I can read it. That's amazing. Way to go. That's a cool piece.
That is a cool piece.
And only if we have 20 of them. That would be awesome.
That would be amazing.
Because everybody's going to want it.
Try to get back in here without breaking it. There we go.
Yeah, breaking would be bad, but you know.
All right, so let's hope we can find some more little.
That is item number 3, and I think it's an amazing item.
It is actually an amazing item. Put all this stuff in here. There we go. It slides back in its little gift box.
Cool gift box too.
Yeah, it is.
There we go.
All right.
3 down, 7 to go.
I've already seen that. Ooh. Stretch furniture cover for a couch.
I like that.
I need to keep one of these for for the couch out in the sunroom.
No joke.
Yeah.
No joke.
That one is pretty beat up.
Always handy, always sells.
Yep.
Yep. Usually get about $10 for them, but they're more expensive online.
All right. I'm going to grab this big box.
Awesome. You want to go to the table to open or open right here?
I'm going to have to grab real quick, let me grab a box cutter.
Say anything on the outside of this box? It's a mystery box. We're going to figure it out right now.
Let's see. Something padded.
That could be good.
Yeah.
Ooh. What in the world is this
It's like
thing?
picture frames.
Picture frames? Is it a set of picture frames?
Yeah.
Or it could be artwork too.
Could be.
It's a really fancy for just basic picture frames.
Yeah.
We're getting closer, Heather.
One day we'll get into it.
Oh.
Okay, let's see.
There it is.
It's a picture frame, but it's
That is a sharp looking picture frame. I like the, looks like it's silver plated almost.
Yeah, it does.
On the edges.
All right, so picture frames.
Beautiful. They're beautiful picture frames, the whole set.
All right,
And that was
number
what?
5.
That was number 5. We got 5 more to go.
All right, I'm gonna have to dig a little bit.
She's gonna dig.
What's this?
There it is.
It's a hair roller set.
Hair roller set.
Look.
I like the pink bag. That's nice. It's a nice bag.
It's got different sizes.
I need those so bad.
Do you? You need them to be hot pink too.
I do.
They even come with clips and everything, and there's a second layer. Look.
You got the whole set.
Yeah, there's a second layer underneath.
Beautiful.
Hair roller set. Number 6.
It's been a while since I've seen one of those.
Yeah. They always have sold for us.
They have.
Let's see. What's this?
Nondescript box.
Nondescript box.
We like-
Must open it.
What is this? The 7th item?
7th item. Let me do it. There it is.
We lose knives here. It's easy to do.
Bury them. Ooh, styrofoam.
Styrofoam. Will she break the styrofoam?
Riveting.
Riveting.
And the reveal.
Ooh.
What are these?
They look nice. Look at that. Welcome. Looks like it's got an on-off there. It's got to be a battery.
Light? Yeah. It's a little light.
That one says garden. This one says welcome.
Those are neat.
Cute little guys.
I like them.
That's clever. Haven't seen that one.
So that was number 7.
That was number 7. 7 was good.
Yep.
We've got some good stuff. I'm a little disappointed in the mop cover, but it will sell.
Listen.
Probably the first thing it sells.
Yes.
It's the mop
it
cover.
will be. All right, let's see.
3 more.
I'm looking for something nondescript. Okay, what is this?
Oh,
These are,
those for your hair?
yeah, I think they're hair color extensions.
That's what you need, Heather. Oh, Heather.
A bunch of them.
You should put all that in your hair.
Yes, all of it. All right, that was number 8.
That was number 8.
Okay, what else we got in here?
2 more items. That looks cool. Gray bag.
Gray
Box
bag.
in a gray bag. Oh my. We've seen these before. Just not on these pallets.
Multifunctional shovel.
These are nice.
So they come, yeah, it's like an, okay, if you're in the military, it's like an E-tool.
Look at that.
You just loosen this a little bit and then it folds all the way out, but it's compact so that you can carry it. Like,
It's great to have in your vehicle for the winter, just in case something goes wrong. It's got a little baggie to go in.
got like, so like it has all these things, like it's got a sharp edge here, it's got a saw on this side. It's made for like survival.
Yeah.
Or camping.
Yep.
And then these are your extensions, so let me just show you.
You could dig yourself out though. You get in a
So it has a
get in the mud
safety
or something.
hammer thing, so you can break your window. It's got a fire bar inside, extension handle. There's a knife in there. There's a whistle, a handle, adjustment ring, bottle opener, chopper, shovel, and saw. So all those things.
Beautiful.
And you just basically, with the extra pieces.
We got some of those probably almost a year ago, sold real well for us, like 25, 35 bucks, something like that.
All the different things.
Yeah.
That are inside of it.
Great little handy thing to have.
Yep. So.
And it'll make a neat Christmas gift,
And we'll
too.
look for more and see how many more we can find.
That'll be a good one on Monday's fire sale.
All right, so that was number 9.
One more item.
All right. I'm just going to go with these because they're screaming at me in the face.
It's all right.
Furniture covers. So these always sell really well. And let me see if it's two-sided. I think it's just green. Nope. So it's green on one side and beige on the other.
There you go.
Yeah. So.
All right, those are your 10 items.
So
You'll see those on Monday.
Yep. Make sure you go to hookedonpickin.com right now this weekend and use the promo code Branson. It'll be across the screen, and you'll be able to get 20% off everything on the sale, and then we'll see you on Monday on the fire sale and on future unboxings. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.